I think the workshop this week was really powerful. It was powerful because I think we've got alignment and I think we've got something strong we can build on. And it was beautiful to see the emotion in the room. I think we all felt the emotion. And I think I think because we created a safe space where people could be emotional, I think we're stronger as a result of it.
You've been in a commercial environment like I have for so many years, and in leadership as well. You know, I've seen and done a lot of courses, but this was really insightful because it really goes into depth about where we are, what we're really trying to do, and who we are. And that's really important. I think you've given us a lot of direction to think about.
It's really hard for businesses, especially small businesses, to have productive meetings. And I think it's a really challenging thing. And I think most companies and people, they just get it wrong and it doesn't work properly. And as we were doing those different exercises that you came up with, I noticed like the buzz in the room. I noticed people working together and I noticed the passion. I just kind of cut all the bullshit away. So I was kind of looking, thinking, yeah, this is something we should bring into our normal meetings. So yeah, and I think it was good because I think everybody got a chance to speak. I noticed if you have a meeting and some people don't speak early on, all of a sudden they kind of get pushed to the side. So everybody had involvement, and that's what I really wanted. I wanted to get a line. I wanted everybody to be behind this. I think we've definitely got it now. Prior, the planning stage, we weren't too keen because tiny business growing, there is no time. We don't have time to block out, 2-3 days, no matter how important it is. But you guys obviously forced us to do it, and I think it's much better. It's like rip off the band-aid, but it's tight and it's do. I don't know.
Yeah,
brilliant. Can you say? Can you do sound effects for me?